Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 taskbar not working. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Click File, Create New Task, type PowerShell, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Copy command from description and paste it. Type shutdown space, -r space, -f space, -t space, 00. Third method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Click Startup tab, disable all unwanted startup apps. Click File, Create New Task, type shutdown space, -r space, -f space, -t space, 00, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 11. Click Download now. Click Accept. Select ISO file, click Next. Click Finish. Check Install Windows 11 and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.